Remove retaining buckle of outer packaging box. Remove the top cover of the packaging box. Take out the fittings. Remove the non-packaging box. Remove the packaging bag. Remove packaging pad. Remove the machine from the wooden box pallet. Lock loosening. Open the sewage tank manually. Installing battery connector. Install the black end of the connector to the negative electrode of the battery. Install the red end of the connector to the positive electrode of the battery. When fastening bolts, the installation tool cannot touch the positive and negative electrodes at the same time to prevent damage to the battery. After the bolt is tightened, install the protective sleeve on the battery connecting line on the bolt. Manually lower the lock of the sewage tank and close it. Check whether the handle of the sewage tank cover is fastened. Prepare the suction stake and lift it manually. Loosen the two handles on the suction strip. Grasp two handles by hand and lift them together with two flat pads to be installed on the fixing plate of the suction stake. Hand down the suction stake. Tighten the handles on both sides of the suction stake. Insert the dirt suction hose into the suction pick joint. Adjust the height of the suction stake. Adjust the angle of suction stake. Remove the key. Plug it into the key switch. Pull out the emergency stop switch. Turn on the key switch. Key introduction. Start. Water increase. Water decrease. Energy saving mode. Brush up. Brush down. Forward and backward. Vacuum. Speed control knob. Place the two brush trays directly under the brush tray shield. Turn the speed knob to the minimum gear. Press the up brush key and the brush plate cover falls down. Check whether the brush tray is aligned. Press the up brush key again to automatically load the brush tray. After the brush tray is installed, the brush tray cover automatically rises. Check whether both brush trays are installed. If not installed, repeat the above steps until installed. Press the brush removal key and the brush tray automatically falls down. Open the cover of the clear water tank. Add cleaning agent. Insert the water hose and start adding clear water. Check whether the water level pipe on the side of the water injection port of the clear water tank is filled with clear water. Cover the clean water tank cover. Open the upper cover of the sewage tank. Add defoamer. Install the upper cover of the sewage tank. Tighten the two handle bolts. Operation of machine cleaning operation. Turn on the key switch. Hand down the suction stake. Press the start key. The indicator light is always on. The brush tray drops and automatically starts to rotate. Adjust the water output well. Adjust the speed control knob. Press the forward key DR. Press and hold the key on the handle of the operation panel to start walking. Press and hold the keys on both sides of the handle to double the driving speed. Operation of machine suction dry operation. Pull out the emergency stop switch. Turn on the key switch. Hand down the suction stake. Turn on the vacuuming key. Press the start key. The indicator light is off. The brush tray is in a raised state. The brush tray is in a non-rotating state. The water nozzle is in a state of no water outlet. Adjust the speed control knob. Press the forward key DR. Press and hold the key on the handle of the operation panel to start walking. Press and hold the keys on both sides of the handle to double the driving speed. The operation of backward running of the machine. Manually lift the suction stake. Press the start key. The indicator light is off. The brush tray is in a raised state. Adjust the speed control knob. Press the back key DR and there will always be a warning sound. Press and hold the key on the handle of the operation panel to start walking. Discharge sewage. Lower the sewage hose and unscrew the cover. Empty the sewage and screw on the cover. Clean the sewage tank. Open the upper cover of the sewage tank. Clean the inside of the sewage tank with water pipes. Install the upper cover of the sewage tank. Tighten the two-handle bolts. Turn off the key switch and emergency stop switch before charging the machine. The charger is connected with the charging plug of the same color. Insert the plug at the machine end before inserting the socket at the power end. The machine starts charging.